In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon account in 2025. Whether you're planning to indulge in some online shopping or want to explore Amazon's myriad services, setting up an account is the essential first step. And the good news is it's a straightforward process if you follow along carefully. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon's homepage. Simply type in www.amazon.com into your address bar and press enter. You'll be greeted by Amazon's familiar homepage with its vast array of products urging you to explore. But before you get lost in the wonders of online shopping, let's focus on creating your account. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll spot the sign in button, or it might display as hello sign in depending on your screen size or device. Give that a click. This will take you to the sign in page. Although we are not signing in yet, this is the gateway to creating a new account. Once on the sign in page, ignore the fields prompting you for an email and password for now. Instead, scan down slightly until you see the option that says create your Amazon account. It's usually found just below the sign in sections. Click on that link, as this is where the magic of creating your new account begins. Now, you will be prompted to fill out some essential information. Enter your name in the specified field because this is how Amazon will refer to you. Then you need to provide your email address. Make sure it's an active email account because Amazon will use this for communication and verification purposes. After entering your email, it's time for a password. Think of a strong password. A mix of letters, numbers, and special characters can secure your account from unauthorized access. Confirm your password in the next field to ensure there are no typos in your entry. After filling out all these fields, click the Create Your Amazon Account button to proceed. Amazon will likely send you a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox and look for an email from Amazon. Follow the instructions in the email, which usually involve clicking a verification link. This step confirms your identity and the validity of your email address. With these steps finalized, you've successfully created your Amazon account. Welcome to the world of Amazon. Now you can enjoy everything from shopping for groceries and gadgets to streaming media and more. Bookmark Amazon's homepage for quick future access and make sure you review your account settings to customize your preferences. Thanks for watching and happy shopping with Amazon.